Pareho ang kaidigong mga kababayan. Ang akusasyon ng defense, kidnapping. Ito yung anak niya, ginidnap na ng yung mga authorities na ngayon yung kidnapper. Inaresto ng Timor-Leste Police. May statement na po yung DFA sa pag-aresto kay Arnie Tevez. Pero yung kanyang anak, ang akusasyon, kinidnap daw yung kanyang tatay. Yan Arnolfo Tevez rearrested in Timor-Leste. Son cries kidnap. Pareho ang kaidigong mga kababayan. Ang akusasyon ng defense, kidnapping. Ito yung anak niya, kinidnap na ng yung mga authorities na ngayon yung kidnapper. Inaresto ng Timor-Leste Police si Arnie Tevez noong Tuesday night. Yan yung sabi ng kanyang anak na si Axel Tevez. I am making this video to inform everyone that my father Arnie Tevez has been kidnapped and abused. Sabi po ni Axel Tevez. Ayan po. Ito yung video ng kanyang anak.
Greetings everyone. I'm making this video to inform everyone that my father, Arnie Tevez, has been kidnapped earlier today at around 8 p.m. Timor-Leste time. At around 7 p.m., he already had information that a private aircraft was scheduled to fly over to Timor-Leste. And then at 8 p.m., immigration officers arrived at his residence and picked him up. They just picked him up without documents, without warrants, or any form of legal documents. They just came in forcefully. They took him out forcefully, and right now, as we speak, he is still in the immigration building in Timor-Leste, being held illegally by the immigration officers, also surrounded by Timorese police. He is asking me to inform everybody about this situation, and he is calling out, we, the family, included, is calling out to UN Human Rights, and I personally am calling to every department all over the world. Please help us. My father already won the case against the extradition, and then they filed a motion for reconsideration for the previous decision made by the Timorese court. And then again, the Timorese court ruled in favor of my father. So he should be in Timor, living peacefully and safely. But we were shocked to see that just last night, he was illegally kidnapped and is now illegally detained, together with his lawyers. They were a little harmed in the process, including the lawyer. And I will be posting a video of him and a video of when they illegally kidnapped and picked him up. We believe that they are doing the same thing as what they did to Tatay Digong, the former president of the Philippines, where they will just detain the person illegally.
Kita ninyo, parehas ang script. Kidnapping. Dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga supporters ni Digong, mga defense counsel niya, ina-accuse yung ating gobyerno ng kidnapping. Ngayon, itong anak ni Tevez, ina-accuse ng kidnapping uli yung ating gobyerno. Pati yung Timor-Leste officials, authorities ng Timor-Leste. Matindi po. Pinoliticize nila din, mga kababayan.
And fly him out wherever they want, and then just settle everything after. But we do not approve of this, and we do not want my father to be flown out of Timor-Leste because he has already won in the court that he can stay in Timor-Leste and he cannot be extradited. Please, again, to any departments all over the world, please send help as soon as you can because we believe he will be flown out first thing in the morning today. The lawyers have already reminded them that it is illegal detention and all the other technicalities, but again, they just insisted and said, just file cases after. So please, I am begging you, whoever can help us in this, please help us. Please send help. He is right now inside the immigration building in Timor-Leste, surrounded by immigration police and lots of Timorese police. Please help us. Thank you. Before I end this video, I would just like to inform everybody that family members and media, local media in Timor were not allowed and is not allowed up to this hour inside the building. I am calling also the attention of the government of Timor-Leste. Please, let's do what is right. We already have won the case. This should not have happened. We really need your help to do what is right. Please do us a favor and do what's right and help us in this situation. I beg all of you. Again, thank you very much.
O ngayon, si Arnie Tevez nagmakawa kay Prime Minister Sanana ng East Timor. Ayan po yung kanyang appeal sa kanyang video, posted ng kanyang anak na si Axel Tevez.
Good evening, Prime Minister. Was Excelencia. How iyan ni Kantor Migrasaw, hamutok Dr. Sira Kaer Ami, and we are held against our will. They are not letting me go, and they don't have Sira Laiha mandado. Para mandado para
atuhalo detenção.
Yeah, atuhalo detenção.
Ami hetan detenção ilegal. Vamos laiha base legal atuhalo detenção.
Ami usuhaw karik bele ami ajuda how para ami bele ba uma ona. Okay?
Binabasa yung kanyang appeal kay Prime Minister Sanana ng East Timor. Kino-coach ng abogado niya yata ito sa East Timor. Ito po. Yes, sabi ng mga nag-react, sabi ni Raimundo Tejada, pagpabor sa kanila ang batas, good. Pero pag hindi po mabor sa kanila, inaapi at inaaboso sila. Umiikot ang mundo. Sabi ni Von Peralta, karma. Sabi ng isa pa rito, tama lang naman yung kung walang kasalanan, bakit magtatago siya? Magtatago siya dyan. Welcome back to the Philippines, Kong. Sabi ni Ion Sanjigo, may pinapatay ka nga tapos nagtago ka. Ngayon, umaarte ka, ano yang drama mo? Pa-inosente O ngayon, kinonfirm na rin po ng kanyang abogado ni Atty. Topacio ang pag-aresto kay Tevez sa East Timor. Ayan o. Just in, kinumpirma ng abogado ni dating Congressman Arnie Tevez na si Atty. Ferdinand Topacio na naaresto ang dating mambabatas gabi ng Martes, May 27, oras at Timor-Leste. Ayon kay Topacio, nakadetine si Tevez kasamang kanyang Timor-Leste Council na si Dr. Jao Sierra Sierra sa compound ng Ministry of Interior ng nasabing bansa. O ngayon, nagpaabot na rin po nagpalabas na rin ng statement yung DFA. Hindi DFA, yung Department of Justice, DOJ. Ayan po, Department of Justice, Kagawaran ng Katarungan. Ito yung kanilang press statement. The Philippine government notes the recent developments in Timor-Leste regarding Mr. Arnolfo Arnie Teves Jr., who stands accused of multiple counts of murder in connection with the assassination of Governor Roel Digamo and other related crimes in Negros Oriental. We reiterate that the Philippines has been prepared to bring Mr. Teves home to face the charges against him since the time our request for extradition was first granted. However, the decision was unexpectedly reversed, stalling the process. While we welcome the recent pronouncement from Timor-Leste indicating a renewed position that Mr. Teves should not remain in their territory, we await their action. Whether we would simply be deported or he would simply be deported for being an undocumented foreigner or extradited forthwith pursuant to our pending application. We emphasize that the Philippine government has not been furnished with any legal or official document on the matter. Nonetheless, we are ready to arrange the transfer of custody by the most expeditious means once we are clarified on this issue. We remain ready and committed to bring Mr. Teves to justice in accordance with the rule of law in the principles of international cooperation. We continue to work closely with the appropriate authorities in Timor-Leste in standby to act the moment a formal process is initiated. Ayan po ang template, mga kababayan, ng magiging proseso kay Attorney Harry Roque. Parehas ng ganyan. May request na rin ng cancellation ng passport. Magiging undocumented alien siya. Pagdating ng oras, mga kababayan, i-extradite siya. Ay, i-deport siya pala. Ito extradition. Deportation si Attorney Harry Roque ang naghihintay sa kanya. Ang importante doon, ultimately, may harap sila sa hustisya. This time, si Arnie Teves, mga kababayan. So, hintayin natin yung mga developments ng mga balitang ito. Kasi, ginagamit ng anak ni Teves, inaalintulad sa nangyari kay Tatay Digong niya. Tatay Digong din yung tawag ng anak. Kinidnap daw yung kanyang tatay ng mga authorities. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. iGlow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.